Hello art friends, we're going to be drawing Ice Spice today. So I'm going to be laying it out just where certain things are going, making sure I have enough room. All right, I think that will do it. So now you're going to continue working in pencil and I'm going to show you how to draw it. So we are going to start with her head and we're going to draw kind of a curvy line. It's going to come up like so because she has her head tilted in this picture. And then we're gonna come in here and draw kind of a wiggly line. And then she's got a big hair coming down. And she's got more hair coming this way. All right, now we're gonna draw her face. So her face, we're going to keep it pretty simple. We're just going to draw a little nose like that. And for her lips, we're just going to draw two kind of ovals because she has very full lips. Then for her eyes, I'm going to just keep them great big. Put a little shine in them, and then she's got a little eyebrow, little line above it, yeah, and the same here. There we go, there's her face. Then we're gonna draw her hand. So her hand is gonna come up over like that, and then we're going to draw some fingers, and let's put a little bling on this finger, and then these fingers are going to get shorter and shorter, and then it's going to come back down like that. You don't see the thumb here. And then we've got her lovely fur coat there. Then it's going to come around. We have a little bit of a shoulder. And we're going to draw a little circle thing like that. And then here's the big fluff. And you'll notice that these lines are curvy. I'm not drawing straight. Last fluff kind of goes down further because you got elbow. Then the coat comes down and then comes around. Okay, then we're going to finish the hair here. So we're going to draw the hair coming down and the rest of the jacket right there. Then we're gonna come right here and we're gonna draw her other hand. So it's gonna come out. She's got this little dinky thumb. And then she's got some bling on this finger. And then we've got these two fingers that are kind of together. I know they look kind of weird. It'll work out though. And then we've got another pinky over here. And then it comes into her elbow. Then we've got another little C line right there. And then we start the giant coat sleeve. Like so. We've got another one. work our way up. And then we've got, let's see here, we got the hair, yep. And then we've got the shoulder with the big fluff. That goes to the hair. I think I'm gonna alter this here. I'm gonna get rid of that line. There we go. Yeah, because this part right here should be like that. All right, let's go, keep going. Then we've got a neck coming down here and a neck coming down here. And then we've got the jacket like that. And the hair like that. Then we've got the top, and then we've got, there's the rest of her waist, and this kind of has a little pucker to it. And right here we've got that part of the top. This part of the top, little cleavage, and then there's a line underneath here for the shadow of the top. Then we have the waist, and a belt. Showing. And we've got some dots in the belt. There we go. And then we've got the hips coming down, the knee, the slouchy pants. In this picture, she is like walking toward ya. Oh, looks like she got a couple belts on, goodness sakes. Walking, so you don't really see the rest of her leg, you just see a little bit of this shoe back here. And then here's the tongue of this shoe with the pants kind of behind it, and some laces. The shoe is like coming toward you, so it's foreshortened. There we go. Maybe just like a little kind of gathering of the material, some puckering here and there. Okay, and I think little detail, and we'll put her on the ground, and there she is. Spice, what is it? Ice Spice. All right, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thank you for watching.